Hi, Barbie. What's cooking?
Hey?
What's cooking?
I don't know. Something smells good in here.
I did everything, by the way.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
It was nothing. Trust me.
Where's Julie Bean? I don't know. Probably downstairs. I don't know. I don't think Marv and Nikki aren't coming. How come? I don't know. She had to work. Yeah, she had to work late. So.
Dad was looking forward to it.
It's too bad. You'll see him another time, Dad. Where's Julie? Upstairs?
Kenneth! You old man, what the heck you doing?
Oh, put my jacket away.
Ah, yes, the jacket. The jacket closet. Never thought about it. Hi! How you doing? No, Ken wouldn't notice anything like that. He totally wouldn't notice anything.
Didn't you get the invitation?
That is not.
No, you ain't moving that.
That is not fair.
Yeah.
Life isn't fair anymore. Who said life had to be fair?
Happy
birthday.
Thank you very much.
Didn't you get the invitation?
Raymond, have you cleared 70 yet?
No.
No?
No.
Oh,
Shit, no.
bullshit.
Give me a break.
Bullshit.
No.
Oh, let me turn that on. That would make sense. There we go. Hey.
Movies?
Yes, movies.
Thank you.
I feel like Frosty the Snowman.
Jeez, what the hell is going
Happy
on?
birthday,
I mean, come on. Oh, Deagles. I know.
Dad, you're 70 now.
Is Doug here?
Not bad. Yourself?
Congratulations, old man.
Well, it's only my
Yeah.
I was over at
Ken, you could be dead any day. You could die like any minute now.
I went to see my doctor today and he said everything's fine.
Everything's fine. That's the first thing.
Yeah. Oh, he said everything's
Just keep taking pictures, taking video. That's what you do. There's a difference.
What are you doing, 2 at a time?
Yeah, I'm taking pictures with one, and then I'm taking video with the other.
Oh, yeah?
You know, nowadays the quality on these things, it's like so much easier just to put it on here. Then you can transfer it really quickly and easily too. I find like they,
I haven't gotten into that stuff yet.
you know what? I repelled it for as long as I could, but then I needed it for work, and I use them like crazy now. Like, they're so good.
Anybody that does use them,
Yeah.
how did I ever get a wire without them before?
Well, you know what happens is I'll just Google stuff when I'm out working because I need a number, I need to know this or know that. It works really good. If I'm at home, I can just if I pull something up on the phone, I can just hit print and it'll go to my printer upstairs and print it. It works pretty good.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
And the furthest thing from being